Now so far we have created a project structure in project system model. Now let's see how to create a planning. So go to the transaction code CJ20N, open the project, expand it. You can able to see the hierarchical graphic. If I want to create a planning on the particular project, logistic, project system, project, financial, planning. Transaction code is a CJ40. Either you can double click on the transaction code or you can put the transaction code in a dialog box. Find out the appropriate projects. So right now there are 3 projects in the system. I need to do the plan on the 20 metric ton. Again there are different versions where you need to do the planning. So I need to do the planning on the version 1. That is a tentative version or a forecast version. 0 is the actual version. So I need to create a planning element, define planning elements. Go to the project, come back as a project in a display mode. So go to the change mode because you cannot do the simultaneous work in a 2 project. And then define the WBS for which you need to do the plan. So I have marked only transportation till the transportation WBS as a planning element. Rest 3 WBS I don't mark as a planning element. I need to save. Let's see what happens. After saving, come to the CJ40, maintain the version 1. See, the WBS which I have not maintained as a planning element is a grayed out where I cannot able to do any plan. But the WBS which I have ticked as a planning element is open. So I can maintain a plan cost across this particular WBS. So to maintain the plan cost, either I can be maintained through WBS or I need to change the display option as a description. Okay. So it will show me the description on that particular WBS. Now there are 2 kinds of planning. One is overall and one is a year wise. So to maintain the year wise planning, I need to choose the current financial year, that is 2014. I need to select the WBS. After maintaining the planning, I go to overall values. So in cumulative there is a values are present. I select the WBS, edit, copy view, copy from cumulative column. I need to copy 100%. So as soon as I copy, the value get copied into the cost planning version 1. Then I go to the edit, total up or press F9. So once I total up, it will roll up from the lower level to the higher level. Finally, I have to check and save. This is the way I have created a planning in a version 1. Similarly, I can create a planning in a version 0, or I can copy the plan so to copy the planning from version 1 to the version 0, just click on the CJ9BS, maintain the version 1 as a template version 1 to 12, fiscal year 20040, version 0 is your target version. Before copying, just see what are the values in the 0 version. To create planning, transaction code CJ40. Now I have maintained the value in the version 1. But in version 0 the value is blank. So I will copy all the values from 1 version to 0 version. Let me run in a test run mode.